Hi friends. Thank you so much for all of your really great responses on my MLM video from last time. It was like 2 weeks ago. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a little card here in the top for you. But today I thought I have a few minutes left of Daisy's nap time. I literally have her on the camera, off camera. So I wanted to walk you through my very minimal makeup routine. I've actually been thinking a lot about getting rid of a lot of my makeup because I find that I'm using like the same 6 things every single day. Pre-COVID and pre-child, I feel like I used a lot more. My hair is doing God knows what here, we don't know. My rings got in my hair. Before everything happened in 2020 and before having a child, I feel like I utilized a lot of my fun makeup a lot more. And I'm not saying that I don't feel fun or I feel like those things are taking away. I just feel like I personally am trying to simplify my life in a lot of ways, and a lot of that has looked like just using what I know works over and over again for my day-to-day life, and then maybe having like a few nice things here and there. So I don't know. Anytime I have a special occasion, I usually do my own makeup. I don't really like when people do my makeup. I literally have had my makeup done like one time in California for a wedding and I liked it. And even then it still felt like a lot of makeup on my face personally. So I thought that today I would just use the last few minutes of her nap to kind of chat with you, talk about life, and mainly just share the few products that I'm using in case you need to simplify your routine as well, or if you're looking for something new. They're not all clean products. I'm not like super crazy about that. Just like to use what works and what I think looks nice on my face. And I'll show you the moisturizer that I've been using pretty much every day that I really like. All of this stuff, I know that they don't like, I'm pretty sure YouTube is like not showing the description box or something or as easily. Anyways, all of this stuff will be in like the drop down description menu. I'll link all of it. So if you want to find it, I would check there if you want links to anything. And a lot of times I'll link this stuff on Instagram as well. So you can find me on Instagram at @TheRealKatie Waldow, WALDW. Why did I spell it? I spell it for people on the phone because otherwise they'll say Waldo or Waldron or Walton or Walden. Anyways, so I've gotten into the habit of being like WALDOW. Just, all right. Let me go get my moisturizer for you. I can show you like this cord. I tried to make this like kind of aesthetic, like this is a pile of random, this is a pile of random, and then there's always one damn cord in the shot, you know? Okay, be right back. Okay, this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil Free Gel Cream. It's the moisturizer that I use on my face every day. I feel like it's a really nice base for my makeup. I like how everything feels like really smooth when it's on. Okay, so that's my first step after my skincare. I use like this Ferulic Brew from Kiehl's, which sounds terrifying, like witchcraft, but it's not. So we all know this is my favorite, holy grail. If I ever find another one, I'll tell you, but so far, no. So right now I'm using Tarte Shape Tape for my concealer. So I go like this, I go like this. Okay, this is redness for me, and here, okay, so we're gonna get rid of that ugliness. I mean, it's all beauty, but redness here, I mean, that's a lot. That feels like a lot. Okay, then I take my little Ilia brush. I don't know the exact name of it. Oh, the complexion brush. Glad they wrote it on there for me. It's got makeup all over it. That's gross. Honestly, I'm not going to clean it up. Who cares? This is real life. Okay. So then I blend it. Oh, also, I tell myself every time I'm gonna like talk through these videos, but I'm so used to not talking through these videos, so then I don't. Look, I got these little glass straws from Amazon. My oat milk latte just tastes so much better. It doesn't, but it feels like it does, you know? So blending in up here, getting rid of all that yucky redness. Because we hate it, we hate it, we hate it. And I usually do this with my eyes and use my finger. My lids are always so dark. So I recently saw Tarte do a video where it was like, do an eyeglass shape where you make like eyeglasses of concealer on your eyes. And I'm like, guys, I've been doing it, okay? Does no one else use concealer on their lids as primer because their lids are either A, super dark, or B, super oily, and anything else would make it slide all around because same. Anyways, what's going on in my life? Well, life with a 1-year-old is beautiful and difficult. She is so cute, so fun, obsessed with the playground, pugga, she calls it, and I have to take requests to go to the pugga multiple times a day, usually right when she wakes up. Today, and I'm gonna stop saying pugga so loud because she's like stirring. So like, does she hear me saying pugga? You know? Anyways, okay, we're gonna go really fast here. Here we go, because I want this done. Anyway, life with a 1-year-old is great. It's just really hard. It's like, I don't like to say like it's an excuse, but like I have no time to do anything else besides like my main job and be with her. I haven't had a lot of time for like content creation or the things that like I like to do to kind of feed my soul. Like, I don't know, read a book, take a shower, basic things. But you know, it's a worthy sacrifice. I know it's just a season and I am trying to be more intentional. Trying to just get sleep so that I stop saying things like intentionable. It's like a really fun age, but it's also like just she's eating everything. She is grabbing things she's not supposed to. She's trying to pull things down on top of her. Whatever. Okay, this is the liquid bronzer that I use. So that's my Shape Tape. I don't put anything else on my face because that's basically my whole face. So hold on, we'll get back to having a 1-year-old in 1 second. So 1, 2, 3 is what I do. 2, 3. Okay. That's it. It's not super exact, but this is it. Okay, so then I blend it up, and then I blend some up here to make like a little, what's it called? Contour business. Okay, and then I blend it all in like that, and I just keep doing this business until it's blended in. Okay, this side, do, some up here, some up here. Blendy, blendy. I'd probably use a brush or something for this, but I won't because this is what I do most of the time in my car when I'm putting my makeup on with my kid in her car seat before we take off. I don't have 10,000 brushes to use, and I'm just... my video just died in the middle of that. That's really rude. Anyways, what I was saying is I don't have 10,000 hours to use a bunch of different brushes, so a lot of times it's things that I can put on with my fingers besides this initial brush to like blendy, blendy, blend, blend. Okay? What I was saying about having a 1-year-old. I love her so much. She's just like the greatest ever. It's just like the energy that you need. At least for my kid. I don't know, maybe you have a chill child. I do not have one of those. She is just like constantly nonstop from the moment she wakes up until she goes to bed. She is very much a mama's girl. So like straight up, if Steve comes home from work and I put her to bed and she wakes up and she sees him, she like acts like she doesn't know him. So that's fun. This is the Ilia multi-stick. It's almost gone. I use it all the time. This is what I use as my blush. I just put a little on. This is one of my favorite makeup purchases of all time. Then I just blendy blend again with my fingers because who has time for anything else? Nobody. We don't. Okay? Blendy blend blend. You have to say that when you put it on or else you're not doing it right. Beauty. She's beauty and she's grace. So she's a miss, you know. NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in Ash Brown. I'm gonna use the little, is this called a spoolie? I think it is. It looks like it would be called a spoolie, so we're gonna call it a spoolie brush. Fluff them up and go. Just kidding. I know people who wear their eyebrows like this and no one says anything, but if I wear my eyebrows like this, people would be terrified. I overplucked when I was younger. So we fill in, we fill in, we fill in. Just like this. I know I've said it before, I'll say it again. Growing up in the early 2000s was rough skis for someone with lots of curly hair, a curvy body, and eyebrows. I'm like not looking at you guys because I'm trying to fill in my eyebrows, and also it'd probably be terrifying if I just like stared at you the whole time that I have my makeup on, but anyways, okay. Coming in real close like this and just filling in, fill skis. Okay, regular eyebrow, filled in eyebrow. I like these because it makes my eyebrows look natural, but also not like I don't have any hair on my face. Let's do this side. This is my least favorite eyebrow. She never does what I want her to do, you know? She's always the annoying one. So everybody has that one eyebrow. You know I'm gonna look at the playback and be like, well, this eyebrow's wonky. They're fine, they'll do. Now, mascara, Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara in After Midnight. They sent me the chunkier one, their new one. I didn't like it as much, And I typically love like full chunky mascara, like the Maybelline Full and Soft is my favorite drugstore mascara. That one just didn't do it for me. I just love this one so much. Honestly, this plane is so annoying. I just freaking tried to spin my coffee like I was being smart and it just missed my computer. So let's wipe that up. Oh, so it looks like this side and this side. Again, it's empty basically, and I need a new one. So I need to be placing an order for Ilia. I really don't like doing my makeup in my phone, so I don't do a ton of makeup videos. I don't know how people do this. They probably do this in a more professional way. This is what you get. As I was saying, I'm trying to be more intentional about finding time for myself for things that I enjoy. Steve and I have been using the baby camera more because we co-sleep. I've said that before. Sleeps in our bed, which often makes it hard to like watch anything or hang out, you know. She just would like cry if we left the room, all of that stuff. But she's gotten to be a lot better sleeper once she turned 1, and we've been using this baby camera, which is life-changing. Honestly, don't know why I didn't start sooner. And so that at least gives us like a couple hours to come out, to eat dinner together, to watch something, instead of just taking turns both being trapped in that room with her and feeling like can't leave and we just live in there, you know. It's gotten a lot better, which is so nice. And I honestly love this age so much. It's just so cute. Like she's communicating so much more. It's like knowing a lot more words. She understands like the commands that I'm asking, like simple things, you know, like where is this person and can you get me that, like can you put this in your pack and play for me. So that's kind of cool. Love being able to communicate with her more and like just see her personality kind of bloom. It's just like the cutest thing of all time. I love her. My little bestie. We go everywhere together. Just so fun. Honestly, is this like a very up close and personal weird makeup tutorial? I don't know, but we're doing it, okay? I just feel like so close to you, and yet so far away. Are we happy with this yet? We don't know. Oh, but Steve and I have been watching this show. It's called Only Murders in the Building. It's on Hulu. It's got Selena Gomez, Steve Martin, and Martin Short, and I love it. It is so like fun and funny. So if you need a new show, I would check that out. And then I just finished reading a book called Night Swim, which is basically about this woman who is a podcaster, and each season of her podcast is like focusing on a different court case. And so she goes to this tiny little town, it's like a made-up town in North Carolina, to cover this case, and then like things from the past come up. And anyways, it was a short little quick read that was good. It's like a fun thriller mystery, you know, and I really like, that's like my favorite genre, so that's probably what I'm always going to recommend. And I would love to hear if you've read anything good or new lately. The thing I just put on my lips, Tarteist matte lip and exposed. I cannot find like the full size of this anywhere, so if they discontinued it, I'm gonna have it out with Tarte. You know, I'm gonna call them and be like, guys, what's up? Also, if anyone from Tarte is watching this, guys, what's up? Where is this lip color? And if you're not making it anymore, I'm really not angry. I just like want to know like what one I should buy that is very similar, aka the exact same as exposed, because it's my favorite. And this is not gonna last me until I'm 90, okay? This is the lipstick I want to be putting on when I'm 90. And my kids are like, Grandma, where's your lipstick? And I'm like, it's over there. And it's this. And it's crusty, and I'm putting it on my lips. So anyway, what else? Oh, the reason I was talking about the shows and the books is I used to talk about like all the things that I was doing and recommending and blah, blah, blah in my newsletter, which again, I'll link that below if you want to sign up for it. But I literally haven't updated it since March because I am A, the worst at being consistent, and B, like I just said, I've found like zero time besides my full-time job, my marriage, and my child to do anything like outside of that. So nothing really creative has been able to be pursued for me, like no other like outside things. I'm trying to make YouTube videos when I have the time in between, and I'm trying to make the time and not make excuses, right? While also being present in my marriage and to my kid, because this is an important season to me and I don't really want to trade that to just make videos, but I want to keep making videos because I like to, and I think it's fun, and I like to, I don't know, I like creating content. I like coming up with ideas for newsletters and sharing stuff like this and watching people's stuff like this. So that's all I'm saying is I'm going to get back to my newsletter again. So if you'd like to be on that list, I think there's like 500 other subscribers, which is kind of cool. So if you want to be added to the list, I'll drop that down again in the description box. That's it. That's my makeup look. I do this 99% of the time. Sometimes if I'm feeling fancy, I'll add eyeliner. If I'm going to an event, I will add maybe like a face, like an actual foundation, so that I know that the stuff is staying on, and then like false eyelashes or something. But really mostly this is it. This is what I wear. I really love it and I feel good in it, and it takes me 5 minutes. I know this video was longer, but I was talking, whatever. If you like or use any of these products, let me know. If you try any of them and like them, let me know. If you decide you want to try them, I always appreciate you shopping through my affiliate links. I make a tiny little bit of commission when you do that at no extra cost to you. Helps me continue to prioritize making videos like this. Thanks again for that and for your support in that way. It helps my little family. And I think that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more like this, and I'd love to know what other videos you'd like to see, if there's any other makeup looks you'd want me to try. Also, let me know if you think I should just like keep going with this look and get rid of everything else I have, because that's what I'm feeling. I'm just like trying to simplify so many things in my life, just get rid of stuff. So that's something else. We've been starting to save for a house, and I think we'll hopefully be buying one in the next year-ish. And so I'm just like trying to like purge so many things around me so that when we finally do get ready to buy and move, I feel like I don't have to do like 10,000 purging and packing things. I mean, I'll still probably have to do that, but I thought if I at least like start just purging now, it'll be a little less then. So part of that is looking at all of the stuff in my life that I have accumulated and things that I just don't need anymore, simplifying based on what I actually use and kind of just going from there. So if you've done this or have any tips for me, let me know. Because my tendency is to just like get angry and then just throw everything that I own out, or to get overwhelmed and not do any of it. So those are my two modes usually. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. You're amazing. Have a wonderful day. It's Monday, so have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.